Welcome to Think Mastermind. Harmonic analysis in Fourier series. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis, the process of finding Fourier series by using numerical values of x and y is called harmonic analysis. Harmonic Fourier series of numerical value of x and y is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta plus a2 cos 2 theta plus b1 sin 2 theta plus a3 cos 3 theta plus b3 sin 3 theta. Suppose we are finding up to first harmonic analysis means it is enough to find a1 and b1, that is up to these three terms, that is called first harmonic analysis or harmonic analysis up to first order. Harmonic analysis of first order up to second term, that is a2 and b2, that is called harmonic analysis of second order up to or second order harmonic analysis, and this is called third order harmonic analysis. So what is a naught, a1, b1 and a2, b2? So a naught is 2 by capital N summation of y. The n is represent number of data which is given, and a1 is 2 by n times of summation y cos theta, and a2 is 2 by n summation y into cos 2 theta, so on. So a3 means similarly 2 by n summation y cos 3 theta. Suppose they are asking fourth order harmonic analysis means you have to find a4 cos 4 theta plus b4 sin 4 theta, including all things up to fourth order. That means you have to find all the terms. Up to first order harmonic means it is enough. Second order harmonic means up to this you are going to find. Third order harmonic means up to this, so on you are going to find. Now b1 is equal to 2 by n summation y sin theta, and b2 is equal to 2 by n summation y sin 2 theta, so on. So here I given formula in theta form. So there is a 4 types. I am teaching very easy way how to identify and how to solve the problems. So first we are considering the x and y value is given, but I given formula in theta. Suppose first case 1. So x is given, that is value of x is given in pi form, that is in radian form. Then theta is equal to x value. That means you take x value directly, in the place of theta you substitute. Suppose x is given, that is in case 2, x is given in degree form, that is 30 degree, 60 degree, like that. Then theta is equal to pi into x by 30. So we are changing everything is in degree form, that is pi x by 180. We are changing degree form into the radian form. So given x is in degree form, that is multiplied by pi divided by 180. Okay, now the case 3, x is given in L form, that means it takes value 1, 2, 3, etc. Then theta is equal to pi times of x by L. What is L value? L is equal to number of data divided by 2. So if we are considering full length of periodic length, then 2L is equal to n, that is L is equal to n by 2. The fourth case, the x is given in time period capital T form, then theta is equal to 2 times of pi x divided by capital T. This is a very important case in harmonic analysis. Given in the pi form, directly you are substituting theta is equal to x. It is in degree form, theta is equal to pi x in by 180. We are converting into the radian form, and theta is equal to pi x by L. Suppose x is given in numerical value and x is given in t form, that is x is equal to 0, 2, t3, t4, t, etc. Then theta is equal to 2 pi x by t. Now we are going to see some example problem, important problem. First one, find second order harmonic analysis of Fourier series for given data. So data is given, x value, the corresponding y value is given. So first I am taking it is in radian form. 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, 2 pi. The corresponding y value is 1.98 and corresponding y value for pi by 3 is 1.30, 1.05 and 1.30 and 0.88 minus and 0.25 minus and 1.98. So it is given data. Here clearly notice that the corresponding x value of 0 and 2 pi is 1.98 and 1.98. So when we are checking the data, the first value of y and last value of y are same. You have to ignore the last value from the given data. So remaining you have only 6 data, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore n is equal to, number of data is equal to 6. Now we are writing the formula. So x is given in pi form. Directly you substitute in the place of theta is x value. Therefore the formula becomes the Fourier series of given data is a0 by 2 plus a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta plus a2 cos 2 theta plus b2 sin 2 theta. So here asking second order harmonic, so that's why I am finding up to second order harmonic a2 and b2. Now we know that n is equal to 6, then a0 is equal to 2 by n times of summation of y, that is 2 by 6 into summation of y. Similarly a1 is 2 by n into summation of y into cos theta, that is equal to 2 by 6 times of summation of y cos theta. Similarly, A2 is 2 by n summation y cos 2 theta, that is 2 by 6 times of summation of y cos 2 theta. B1 is 2 by n summation y sin theta, that is equal to 2 by 6 summation y sin theta. Up to second harmonic, therefore we are finding A0, A1, A2, B1 and B2. B2 is 2 by n summation y sin 2 theta, that is 2 by 6 summation y sin 2 theta. From given numerical value, now we are going to find what is summation y, what is summation y cos theta, what is summation y cos 2 theta, summation y sin theta and sin summation y sin 2 theta. Now forming the table. So first theta value is nothing but your x value. Next given y value. Next y cos theta and y cos 2 theta and y sin theta and y sin 2 theta. So x is 0, theta is 0, x is pi by 3, theta is also pi by 3, x is 2 pi by 3, that is equal to theta. Next pi, next 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. So I am not writing what is 2 pi because already I cancelled the last data and first data are same corresponding the y value. Therefore I am ignoring that last data. So you stop your value up to 5 pi by 3. Now we are writing y value 1.98 and 1.30, 1.05 and 1.30 minus 0.88 and minus 0.25. See, in between values of y is also same, but I am not ignoring that. Only you have to check the first value of y and the last value of y are same. You have to ignore the last data from given problem. Now we are going to find one by one. We know very well cos 0 value, that is in the theta. Substituting 0, cos 0 value is 1. 1 into y is y, that is 1.98. Now cos 20, that is also value is 1. So 1 into y is y value, that is 1. Y value is 1.98 and sin 0 value is 0. 0 into any number is 0. Sin 2 theta value, that is also 0 and that y into 0 is 0. Now I am going to pi. You know very well cos pi value is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1.30, that is minus 1.30 and here 2 theta, that is theta is pi, that is cos 2 pi value is 1. 1 into y value is 1.30, sin pi value is 0, so 0 into any number is 0 and sin 2 pi value is also 0, so 0 into y is 0. Now remaining values, I am using the calculator. Switch on your calculator and keep it in your radian mode. Suppose it is not in radian mode, you go to the mode button, press like that. It is given as in radian mode 2. So just I am pressing radian 2. So it is in radian mode. Now we are going to find one by one value. Before that you have to fix the decimal point up to 4 decimal points according to your given problem. So here I am fixing 4 decimal points. So you go to mode again and second time you press it. That option is even fix, that is you select 1. It will be asking how many digit you are going to fix. So just I am here taking 4 digits, so I am clicking 4. So your 4 digit value has appeared. Now I am going to find what is cos pi by 3 into y. Okay, so y into cos pi by 3. Just first you find what is cos pi by 3 value, that is cos of here pi, that is you keep shift pi divided by 3 and close the bracket. Just press equal to sign. It is a 0.5. We know very well cos pi by 3 is cos 60, 1 by 2 value. Suppose you don't know, use the calculator. That is 0.5 into y. What is y value? That is 1.30 into 1.30, that is equal to 0.65. 0.6500. Next one, cos 2 theta, that is cos of 2 into pi, that is shift pi divided by 3, close it, equal to, that is minus 0.5 into 1.30, that is minus 0.6500. Now I am going to sin theta. Theta value is 60. Again it is a 0.5. So once you know the value, directly use the calculator. Directly you can write, otherwise use the calculator. Again, sin of shift pi divided by 3, close the bracket, equal to, that is 0.866 into y. Y value is 1.30 into 1.30, that is equal to 1.1258. Now I am going to find what is sin 2 theta, that is sin of 2 times of pi shift pi divided by 3, that is equal to 0.8660 into again 1.30 into 1.30, that is equal to 1.1258. Next one, we are going to find 2 pi by 3. So cos theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. The 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3, that is in second quadrant. Pi by 3 value is 0.5 and minus 0.5 we got. You getting the answer 1.05 into minus 0.5, you getting the answer. Otherwise you have to use the calculator. Cos of 2 times of shift pi divided by 3, that is equal to minus 0.5 into 1.05, that is equal to 0.5250, minus 0.5250. So 2 theta, that is already your 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 theta, that is 4 pi by 3, that is in third quadrant. Otherwise use the calculator. Cos of already 2 pi. So we are going to find cos 2 theta. 2 times of 2 pi by 3 is 4 pi by 3, that is 4 into shift pi divided by 3 is equal to into, so what is y value? The y value is 1.05 into 1.05, that is equal to minus 0.5250. Similarly, I am going to find sin 2 pi by 3. Sin 2 pi by 3 is sin of 2 into shift pi divided by 3, close the bracket, equal to into 1.05, that is y value, that is equal to 0.9093. Similarly, sin 2 theta, already we are having 2 pi by 3. Sin 2 theta means sin 4 pi by 3, that is sin of 4 into shift pi divided by 3 is equal to into 1.05, that is y value, that is equal to minus 0.9093. Now it is already filled. Next we are going to 4 pi by 3. So cos of 4 pi by 3 is cos of 4 into shift pi divided by 3 is equal to minus 0.500 into the corresponding y value minus, that is you write in the bracket, minus 0.88, close the bracket, that is equal to 0.4400. Next one, y cos 2 theta, in the place of theta is 4 pi by 3, that is 8 pi by 3. So cos of 8 into shift pi divided by 3 is equal to minus 0.500 into bracket minus 0.88, that is equal to 0.400. Next one, sin theta, that is sin of 4 pi by 3. Sin of 4 pi by 3 is sin of 4 into shift pi divided by 3 into minus 0.88, that is equal to 0.7621. Next one is sin 2 theta, that is 4 pi by 3, 8 pi by 3. Sin of 8 into shift pi divided by 3, close the bracket, into the corresponding y value, that is minus 0.88, that is minus 0.7621, minus 0.7621. Now I am going to find 5 pi by 3, that is cos of 5 into shift pi divided by 3, close the bracket, that is equal to 0.5 into corresponding y value is minus 0.25, that is equal to minus 0.1250. Again, that is cos of 2 theta. Cos of 2 theta is 10 pi by 3. So that is cos of 10 into pi by 3 shift pi divided by 3, close the bracket, that is equal to minus, again into corresponding y value, into minus 0.25, that is equal to 0.1250. Next I am going to find sin 5 pi by 3, that is sin of 5 pi into pi divided by 3, that is equal to minus 0.8660 into corresponding y value minus 0.25, that is equal to 0.2165. 0.2165. Next one, 2 theta, that is 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3 can be written as sin of 10 shift pi divided by 3 is equal to this into corresponding y value, that is minus 0.25, that is equal to 0.2165. Now we are finding total, that is summation y cos theta, summation y cos 2 theta, summation y sin theta. This is summation of y sin 2 theta. Just you are adding the column wise. Now summation of y is 1.98 plus 1 0.30 plus 1.05 minus 0.88 minus 0.25, that is equal to 3.2. 3.2 minus 0.3291. Now A naught is, we know that 2 by 6 summation of y, that is 1 by 3 times of 3.2, that is equal to 3.2 divided by 3, that is 1.0667. Next A1 is 2 by 6, that is nothing but 1 by 3 summation y cos theta, that is equal to 1 by 3 times of summation of y cos theta is 1.1200, that is 1.12 divided by 3, that is equal to 0.3733. Similarly A2, 1 by 3 times of summation y cos 2 theta, that is equal to 1 by 3 times of 2.6700, that is equal to 2.77 divided by 3, that is equal to 0.92. கட் பண்ணுங்க, that is 2.67 divided by 3, that is equal to 0.8900. Now B1 is 1 by 3, that is 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 summation y sin theta value, that is summation y sin theta value is 1 by 3 times of 3.0137, that is equal to 3.013 divided by 3, that is equal to 1.0043. So B2 is 1 by 3 summation of y sin 2 theta, that is equal to 1 by 3 times of minus 0.3291, that is equal to 0.3291 divided by 3, that is equal to 0.103 minus of 0.1097. So substitute A0, A1, A2, B1, B2 value in Fourier series, that is in first formula f of x is equal to A0 by 2, that is 1.0667 divided by 2 plus A1. What is A1? A1 is 0.3733 cos theta plus A2 is 0. First you write B1. B1 is 1.0043 into sin theta. It is up to first harmonic, but our question they ask up to second harmonic. Therefore A2 is 0.8900 cos 2 theta plus B2 is minus 0.1097 sin 2 theta. Now the x value is given in theta form, so we are finding harmonic analysis of Fourier series. So previous problem the x is given in radian form. Suppose the x is given in theta form, the same data of y. So x is given as 0. X is in degree form, that is 0, 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree and 240 degree, 300 and 360. So the y value is in same as previous problem, that is 1.98 and 1.30, 1.05 and 1.30 minus 0.88 minus 0.25 and again it is 1.98. Similarly, you have to ignore the last value because the corresponding x value, the y first value and last values are same. You have to check first value and last value, not in between value. Therefore, ignore the last data. Now we know very well you have to write it is in degree in radian form. So theta becomes x is equal to 0. The radian form is pi of x by 180, then theta becomes 0. If it is a 60 degree, that is pi by 3, it is 2 pi by 3. Theta values of for x is pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3 and this 5 pi by 3. So there is no change in theta value in the previous table, 0 pi by 3. Suppose it is x is given in numerical value for same x data. Suppose x is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6, that is it started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The corresponding y value is same for 1.98, for 1 is 1.30 and 2 is 1.05. The 5 value may be changed. So here I am example taking the previous problem, only I am changing the value of x, it is in different form, that is 1.30 minus 0.88 minus 0.25 and 1.98. Again your y values are same first and last, so you ignore that. So similarly, how many datas are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is n is equal to 6. So it is in numerical value, that is in L form. In L form, so L value is equal to n by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. Now you are going to write theta is equal to, according to given formula, already given that pi times of x by L. Just you substitute in C. X is equal to 0, the pi value is 0. X is equal to 1, L is 3, pi by 3. Next x is equal to 2, L is 3, that is 2 pi by 3. And x is equal to 3, L is 3, that is pi. Next one is similar, you substitute for x and L, it becomes 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. So there is no change in theta value, just you substituting for theta is pi x by L, x is given in L form. It is type 2, that is in degree form. It is type 3, it is in numerical form, L is given. Now I am going to find type 4, that is x is given in T form, that is 0, T by 6 and 2t by 6. Sometimes instead of 2t by 6 they given t by 3 and 3t by 6 and 4t by 6 and 5t by 6 and 6t by 6, that is t that is given. So here the corresponding y value is nothing but the previous one, 1.98, 1.30, 1.05. Y may be any value, but here I am taking previous example only, that is 1.30 minus 0.88 minus 0.25 and t value is 1.98. Here also the first value of y and last value is same, so ignoring the last one. So remaining you having the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore n is equal to 6. Now I am changing it is into the radian form, that is in theta form. So theta is equal to 2 times of pi x value divided by t. Just you substitute the x value and check it here. Now the x is 0, that is theta value is 0, and x is t by 6, the theta value is pi by 3, and x is 2t by 6, that is tt are cancelled. So you are getting 2, 3, that is 2 pi by 3. just you simplify. Next one is 3t by 6, that is nothing but t pi by 2, pi everything is cancelled, 6 by 6 you getting the answer is pi. Similarly next you getting that is 4 pi by 3, next one 5 pi by 3, it is nothing but same as in theta value of first problem. So you have to convert either it is in L form or T form or degree form, you have to convert in theta in a radian form by using the formula. It is very easy to calculate. So it is I given a very easy idea to you to find the harmonic analysis of Fourier series.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.